Let's have a very simple demonstration for downloading MikroTik Winbox 4.0 and take a look at its very sleek layout. Alright, let's install MikroTik Winbox. So you need to go to your favorite internet browser. So you need to type the official website address of mikrotik.com. Then you go to software and you will be able to see under software two versions of Winbox. So Winbox 4.0 now in beta 16 as of this recording, and Winbox 3.41. So for this video we will download Winbox 4.0, but before that let's click the changelog and see what were the changes or the updates made. So we have beta 16 now, so obviously you have other changelogs for other beta iterations, so beta 1 to beta 16. Okay, so we have the design table view, implement column reordering, and we have other features also added or fixes that were added to this particular version. Okay, we close this changelog window and we proceed to download Winbox 4.0. So as we are using Windows, so Winbox is available to Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Let's take a look at Winbox 3.41. So it's only available to Windows operating systems. So Winbox 4.0 are available or is available to other operating systems, so not exclusively to Windows. So that's a good news for other OSs, for example Mac OS users and Linux users. But for our video we'll be using Windows, or we are using Windows, so we will download Windows 64-bit installer or the utility. So once the download is finished, so you'll have the zip file. So let's try to go to that directory. So you have this zip file and you just have to proceed and extract and get this Winbox application and copy it to, for example, your desktop and paste it here. Now that we have the Winbox utility, so let's go to our desktop. So it is pasted here. So let's launch Winbox application. Double click on it and you have this Winbox 4.0 beta. So click allow. Okay, so router OS management tool, publisher by this particular company, so we allow this, and there's a look for your Winbox 4.0 beta 16. Okay, so let's try to test our new Winbox 4.0 utility if it can go inside and connect our MikroTik. So in our case we have one detected MikroTik in our environment or in our network, such that you have here one entry. Okay, so let's click on this one, and this has already a password, so let me type in a password and click connect. So you still have connect to, login, password. Now you have the workspace, you have the group and comment. So let's click connect. You still have the connect to Ramon, and let's click connect. Okay, so we are now inside our MikroTik router, so DHR. So if you are using Winbox 3.4 or version 3 before, so clearly if you take a look at this version 4, you'll have a UI change or a very nice improvement in terms of icons and the entire GUI itself. So you'll still have the set of commands or set of windows that you can go to, IP menus, or you still have these files and so on and so forth, but clearly the icons, text, and the entire Winbox is greatly improve.